And next, we have Dr. Jared Ray Coleman, who is an assistant professor of computer science at LMU, where he leads the Kubishi Research Group. His research focuses on cooperative mobile agents, distributed and dispersed computing, and large language models for endangered language revitalization. His work is supported by the National Science Foundation, and he has received recognitions, including the CPS Rising Star Award and the Coleman Scholarship. Please give him a round of applause.
In 2016, one of my collaborators, while lamenting about how the research and funding landscape was shifting away from encouraging exploration for the sake of exploration, said something that changed my path. Research must be curiosity-driven. Here's why that's true. You can't be good at something if you don't spend a lot of time doing it, and you won't spend a lot of time doing something that you don't enjoy. But what about practical impact? Won't following curiosity just lead to useless or irrelevant work? Actually, the opposite is true. When you follow your curiosity and build expertise in something you're truly interested in, the real-world applications will emerge naturally. And when they do, you'll be uniquely positioned to address them. Letting curiosity drive my work, from mobile agents to large language models for indigenous language revitalization, has been the best decision of my career. So my challenge for you is this, especially if you're early in your academic career: let your curiosity lead. The problems worth solving will find you and will be ready for them.